To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Major discovery, baby. To every key there's a lock, to every bird there's a flock, to every boy there's a perfect girl, yeah. To every wolf there's a pack, and there's no turning back. It's either in or you're out in the cold, yeah. To every woman there's a bee, trouble look for me, yeah. That's my philosophy, yeah. To every girl there is a move that brings some crazy attitude that switches on and off like a crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, she's my baby. So every good there's a bad, sometimes you're happy then you're sad. It evens out eventually. So every lie there's a twitch, every tear there's an itch. It's worth the pain. Oh, there's a heart without a soul. Love will always be at home. I found my home in her heart, it seems. I found myself a pearl, a really crazy girl, but there's no me without this crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, so she's my baby.
Or no. You see, let me mean a good friend. You call me as a fuck. Tell us what? I don't make a bun up. Let's get fire for you, still want to bun up. See that third week, bun up again and you're dirty nasty, you're not here. So you're not here, the ears. Hey, what can friend me? I mean, me tell you, make me light it. You still willing to lie to yourself. See that you get third grade bun up. Look for your
you're not scaring me because I know nobody know that say because I don't know that I don't feel it already. So you're not scaring me.
Well, you should have hear my just stubborn.
I come on no. Me want go to my yard no, but me not really want to go to because I love me and I want to mash up. So me come to take your advice. What do you think we should have?
Think about fresh up. Feeling. Mama, listen, me and your man. Everything you want, you can go solve with you. Mama, look at us, maybe you just stay done. You're a right man for you, you know.
You must say mad.
What you mean? Everything you want, I'm here to call. You want to go bun car, I'm here to call. Next thing.
You are my friend. So
Friend,
call.
friend. The man said that situation there. It's more than a friendship. It's come like a husband and a wife. Everything you want me to call.
You know what time we call you out here? Forget about it.
Call them here because I just go to shop with the machine right there, somebody have moved something. No like where you stay, you know. Every minute you want help. Give me a cup there, boss. Alright. Move up.
Call them on it. Oh, jeez. Hello. You need to see him up at the house. What do you mean by? Look here. We need to see you right now. It's an emergency, so please come right now. I'm waiting on you. That not have nothing to do with me. You forgot some pregnant? Don't tell me about your crosses like we can do. That don't have nothing to do with me. So I need to see you right now. Why every time I call you and tell you I need to see you? You gotta tell me about wife, this and that. When you go breed your mule wife and stick to her then. Don't come to me, you know, like when I say I know situation. I don't know situation. I need to see her right now because as I said before, I don't feel good. What do you mean by it sound like me I feel pain? Of course me I feel pain. You must say mad. 1 hour wish for. Look here now. Look here, me I beg you. If you want peace reign, don't make me spit and it dry up. Don't come tell me if you understand. I'm tired that you want to understand. It's like me the most understanding person in the world. Look here now. Remember, I'm crying a child. And if me call you, I know me want to see you. Because at this point, me don't like you no entire, no. So you just believe that the pit them in my belly want to see you know me. Ow. Okay, no, sir. You can't do this with you on the phone. You know, me tell you something, I don't feel good. And I need to see you right now. I don't care what you have to tell her, say. But just know, say, me need it right now. And I know you not come, me gotta show the belly. What you mean me can't do that? Yeah, I don't care you used to say my belly reach far so me can't dash to again. You know, worry yourself. There's many ways of getting rid of it. And remember, you're not a pit, you're gonna be a gelding for life if me get rid of this here. So make me spit and it drop and you know reach my foot and you're gonna see how it go. Me no more talking because me don't feel good, alright? Alright, bye. I'm gonna tell me foolishness. Me tell the pan wife. Please. If me tell the pan wife, alright, wife can't breathe. I mean, one day I feel all of the pain them now.
You can't go by a car now because you have a car. Yeah. Hopefully by the next 2 weeks we get back a car still. Yeah man, don't work with it right now. Insurance right trying to give it. So now I'm a baby after me. Yeah man. That's what I'm saying. And talks. Yeah man, I talk to her about car and make sure you know say.
Wow.
Yeah, alright, cool. Do you come from early today man?
Feel so good.
Jay?
Like you look good. This Larian sick me.
Tell me a place where you deal with sick you come from. Man, you really not sound good for sure. Boy, I'm there all day, I'm just saying to myself, so boy, I'm just feeling like a salt, I'm living up. 1 pound of salt just dash up on my left hand, and 20 pound of salt dash up on my right hand. Nothing wrong can it. Maybe, when you see a buy new bag, I want to get the stuff done from half a lane to the cup.
Yeah, I have some documents there. And there's some people on fire.
The same one when we come on the fire sheet?
No. Just have some people that want me to fire because them not on the right and me not run, I don't like say me run one papa business, I understand babe? Me not run one papa business, you know. I know so when me get serious, me get serious.
True.
So if I see me a smile, I don't want nobody take my smile for granted.
True.
And when me get serious, me get really serious.
You don't get too serious until you get the camera for me. Because I'm careful.
Yeah, be talking about that. You have to get the car. When me understand, you know, come in and something that feel good. Why you have to talk about the car?
It's a reflection. We're just jump out of my mouth. Just sorry about that. Oh, calm down, baby. Sorry about it. Okay? No,
I feel pregnant.
Well, I can't take it like that.
No, I never say I'm pregnant. I just say I feel pregnant.
You feel like yeah.
Yeah, I did not say I'm pregnant, so I feel.
Okay.
Yeah, so how was the day?
The day was stressful. Taking taxi doesn't work for me, baby. and thing, but you know, I go through. You know,
You know,
like,
somebody might say somebody that come home and see you. Like, time early.
you have to see me, babe, because I'm telling you, say, being a road kind of sticky, I take taxi, you know?
Yeah.
So, alright, back to everything. Oh,
You change the password?
huh?
You change the password?
What do you mean?
I mean, your face always.
Yeah, same password. You see how?
Oh, maybe I actually call you here.
Yeah, I have to open your eye and look
You
in
call
the
him and me, I look for this.
You can know. So, I can know.
So, the date there. The date there now. We have some things to take care of at the hotel.
Okay.
Back to where you say? Where you say?
No, it's not. You just say, yeah, alright.
Yeah.
That's how you know you want yourself, you know?
You cook?
I feel like I cook, I just feel like something, I will buy it, I'll buy something. But we can't even buy your car, I'll buy something.
Yeah, do that because right now, you don't feel so good. Like, the break when I take off and work other day, it really feels so good. And now I'm going back, it just stress me.
So you call the people about the car, man?
Yes,
Insurance, man?
I did.
How they say?
I did today. They said that tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, and you're gonna get back the same one like that.
So I get back and see like,
Same color, everything.
same color, everything.
Yeah.
Boy, I tell me happy, babe, me happy, I'm so happy, because
So tomorrow by 3 o'clock, you can go pick it up and that's another day at work.
yes,
And another day at work. So you feel puny though?
I feel good, man. You talk about.
Puny,
No puny there, baby, no puny. No puny. No.
Alright, we just want to lay down.
I lay down.
Yeah, nice.
So you think that's a problem? Like how tomorrow I get to just relax yourself a bit. With fruit.
Yeah, but you know, so not due times I have to go get something for me to eat, right?
No, that's what I'm saying, I'm going to drive out soon. So by the time I fall asleep, then we drive out. You know? Because I might have to go to a construction site. Or a hammer. Create like a hammer. You know?
Okay.
I love you, my baby. You know me from my life, you know? Don't you know that? Babe?
I know.
You better know. I love you, my baby. So tomorrow. Oh, that's so sweet.
What time you tell her?
3 o'clock.
Okay.
Now I forget about that. I want 3 o'clock and I like you. Yeah.
And then we'll be back by 4.
By 4.
Yes.
Alright, so what I'm going to know is when I say we can get food before we start heading.
Yeah, and before me get top asleep, and then you go move, and then we wake up, right? And your phone, you have it?
No, I'll let you phone.
Okay.
And you want to contact me?
Suppose so, leave it.
No,
If anything happen, I have to call, right?
yes, please.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, let me see.
No, you baby.
So,
All the things that we say collect from Amazon, just let me know, you know, when see me them come, so we can do them, yeah?
they're here already.
Alright, so when we come back, just try to see if we can I'm gonna make it film them, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, love you, baby.
We are look.
So, I saw my,
My call.
y'all come, you walk on.
What do you mean by? Me tell me if you been here still to touch me. Sit down now. Boy, you talk about come clean. What is wrong? What's going on?
You can't see that.
Why you not sit down?
So, you call me your ball being full like you're 8. And the belly just reach little bit past 2 months in the city.
What do you mean by a little bit past 2
What do you
months?
say what you mean?
You not keep track.
So which part you know?
It's 4 months.
Me can't 4 months.
Why me can't
If
4
I
months?
4 months, enough for me.
I fear your brother then. If I not fear your brother one then. And what you gonna do? Lick me. But they imagine you can worthless baby father, you know? And your first thing you should have killed up yourself, you should have excited. And if you're sick and something, you feel call you?
But based on how you stayed, me nobody excited again. Me unexcited.
No,
Because
that's sure. That's what we just did on the phone.
That's sure what? You so fast, Maricha? Eh?
But you see, I'm excited, so that means you don't want a baby then.
So we can so
Me just want.
you bleach?
Yeah, me a rope. Come on, baby, come on.
Hold on, me see Anna one.
No, wait, what's my answer? If me no man, me come to talk to you, come and search me. Yeah, what? Police? Body police?
Alright, so what one? Because me come here and be a talk here, me can't get nothing. So me
I
just
need
come.
some more money.
Money? Me not tell you, me not get no money yet. You deaf? Something wrong with you? Me not get no more money because me want to buy the car back again.
Sorry, some care more important than me, baby.
And no matter car, you when force me say to pressure the whole thing about the car. Now me a pressure you because I want you to be happy. Yo,
When you get car, me not see you. So me not bother when you get no car.
listen to me, baby.
Me need to go up at UE, go get check up and them something there. And them tell me say, at 350,000.
For the one.
If you have the baby and get me check up and all them something there, what do you mean by for the one?
So me can go to you. Where you think hospital there? Public
You
hospital
must
there?
say mad
Yeah.
me.
Yeah,
I
me.
come don't take picture them treat people so bad.
You know, treat-
So you know say you want worthless man.
So why we waste money on that and we
Your
can
first
use the money?
picnic.
So
And
what-
you know why your baby born good in a UC hospital?
I am not saying the baby not born. The baby born in a uptown, downtown, the baby still like a born. Enough time when the KPH people ever complains, people that complain the KPH not good because them going with dirty stinking attitude and they expect say nurse them to just take on a dirty stinking attitude and move on. Eh?
All of my friends them have them baby by UC.
That's why you're a dirty friend.
And me
Then.
want have my baby at UC too, cause you never drop my standard. But see you go like forward there, you want drop my standard for the program. I don't know who me there think gonna pick up you, you know.
You talk about your
Oh.
dirty friend them when I mind them pick and I'm taking the pick every day and gonna run bar as they pick it drops up. Eh? They left it on grandma and poor grandma. No matter the foolishness.
Me don't care what them want do and what them not want do.
Yeah,
Me
yeah.
just nobody with the ugly. Me not feel good. Me don't care what them want do. Me just want to say me got UC got have my baby.
Listen to me. Are you me love me? Think I she me love?
Every day that you tell me
I know.
6 years and I got
Yeah, but are you me love me? Not have nothing for me. I hate her so much. We don't like this sight of her.
No sleep with her every night.
No, I'm sleep. This time we done. I'm a roll over like a dog. Stop going somewhere, you know, say, babe.
Me tell you if you stop to touch me, me no feel good man. Show man, when me can't just stand up and talk to me and not touch. You know, so me not like you. And sometimes I feel like me like, and the next time I get you like nice.
As soon as it's a pregnancy, come never problem. So you can chop you want, chop your dirty man. You know the money and all stuff, but you can give on a go. Like a 250.
Hey! Jesus help me. Where's the go?
You go buy Lasco, and Lasco.
But last go for the one. Me drink last for me a hot girl. And milk me drink, me no drink last for. If I see me a drink last for you know me.
Well, me know you left out the money, so you know where you come.
Me no want it now. Me no want
Yeah, you want
it.
it,
So you
yeah.
try to take it off of my bed. Come here, hot girl, me no know who you give this to. Who you give that? Me no want that. Take that and go give your wife. And she drink last for me no drink last for. You must say mad. You ever see me drink last for you for me?
Yes,
Girl?
every time we be in Lasco drink with this. Wow.
You
You say
lion
go.
wicked
You say
you.
go. You say do not use the pipe water, use the distilled water.
That's two times my last time we reach hospital.
Which
You
hospital?
wicked.
Because me when
You wicked man.
Because when you use the pipe water, and pipe water run your belly.
Oh yeah, confess your sins
You
now.
know, say confess. I tell, but when you tell a long time, you make it sound like something talk about it.
Me not drink glass cup. Me a breed and my baby want milk.
Yeah.
Milk me want. Take it. Hey! Jesus, peace.
That's how you put up, sir.
Hey! Okay, no man. Me tell you, so me a feel pain. I mean, I want your side of me, man. Once you come boy, you with 250 can do for me and my baby.
Alright, man, get $1,000.
I don't want $1,000. I want $100,000 right now to my account to go for you and man.
I tell you, say money not coming to the backside here, I'm for you.
Make sure I come by later because I figure you and man. I don't want that.
So you got you going to happy if I have a 4 months pitting.
What this?
Happy
You're
with
going to
your
check up.
check up on your backside, check up on. You
Mm-hmm.
need to check up nothing.
Yes, so that's how I should have read for you because you don't know nothing about
No, but
Africa
I tell you, you not even reach. Babe, your baby not reach 3 months yet. That first thing. And when you wrap up so like say,
Just leave me alone.
I lose that child lose weight while having pitting, that makes sense?
You're not going to run, you're not going to make my body look away. Well, don't act pitney, I can't sexy and go for the road and nobody want me again. Me and act
I
girl.
don't want some, I don't want some loving. Come
You
here.
say? Look at you lick your head. You lick your head.
Alright, come put the tongue here, sir.
You lick your head. You don't even have money for me to have doctor to you to love it. Hey, you try to get to bottom bed and go and take wife, you love it. Oh, tired.
I'm not come on.
That's your business.
Yeah, come on,
Let me know where you live. Don't forget that.
If you ever come down, listen, hey, you see you done mash up everything for just what? Money not reach yet. Where the backside there?
Can you answer a question?
Ask any backside question.
When the money will reach?
This evening about 5 o'clock.
Alright, just when the money reach, I send it to my account and check me back tomorrow for you loving.
I'll be a style me, you know. But I don't know what you style me for. Everything good.
I need to go get my check up there, man. That me need to go get. Doctor say,
Come
at
here,
times,
ask it.
me don't want your camera going away.
You can't carry that
No,
clinic.
me don't want your camera going away because all of a sudden you want to cry me got doctor. All the while I'm here, come by myself. Every time I have to come, you say, wife this and wife
Yeah,
that.
but I don't lie. You make it sound like a lie, me I tell.
Well, me don't want your camera now. Me I go all along and me look, no, me alone. You hear the people say to me, you can me breed myself. And me tell them say yes, and me breed myself. So, me nobody want you follow me got a doctor if nobody see you know. You can't continue hiding. You know, so you don't want your wife find out. All of a sudden you want to that clean, you know. I want, what is it?
Why you look like a bun up, sir?
Burn up, burn up, you hear that?
You're right, I
I
can't.
bleach, me I bleach. You know, no sense. You even tell someone to baby come white. You know, no sense.
No, but so if baby come white, you want come white too?
Yeah, me a baby for white.
Yo, I'll be a rubbish here, chat. Alright, you ready? See, when me text you and say money reach, you make sure say just spread out and don't give me no question. Turn off the light. Don't turn off the light, I'm just come straight to you.
Not turn off no light, I'm in a lobby.
But you know, I always say like you see certain things.
I want to say everything. Me pregnant now, my mind change.
You see your face? I tell me love you. I love me love you.
And that you tell your wife, to every day that you tell your
No,
wife,
no,
I
tell her
love me
that.
love you
No.
only. And that you tell her just like I tell me, you can't trick me. You trick me once, you never trick me twice. The baby them a stiff up.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, later. Take care of yourself, yeah. And remember if text me the receipt and they send me the money, yeah.
Check your damn phone.
Yeah, me go check it. The baby them say when me have baby, I come back. Alright? Right. I won't go from. I mean if money for go for the hospital, I go look for myself tomorrow. Before I realize nothing.
Missy, I take too long to answer.
Girl, you can't do that. So I'm gonna keep on at the door, sing your sleep, you know.
Missy, I could wake up. Miss, no say me a fast in your business, yeah? But me can't talk. Miss, wake up now, miss, you know, wake up yet, man. You wake up now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Miss, you can't wear your bike, I like it. No say me a fast in your business, I'm a fast in your business. I did do for you. I feel our husband. Buy for my husband. Here. Miss, say, you know, me always eat out, come and really cook, come and cook. I got this little restaurant over there. I'm sit down and me and eat. And then people business come to me. I sit down there now and I see, my can really come with me for people business. Miss, when me don't tell you this a business here, we know if I wait, me come wait. Alright. I come wait, me beat you. Miss, me did there, me hear some people are say,
It can't run up. Are you yard? I want girl come burn up with next man.
What?
Mm.
What? Wait.
Yeah.
What you talking about? What do you mean by the car explode? But where did the music from?
Well, Miss, long and short of the story, what me I get to understand is that the woman is going to pick a man, woman, and a side chick.
This must be a joke thing. This must. So who is this girl? What's her name? This you think? Wait.
Oh, my name, wait, man, say her name again. What's her name? Jessica. And you know my next thing too? She pregnant. I mean, so she walk a chat say I'm me.
Hold on.
Yeah. That's why.
Hold on. Jessica. So hold on. So she black?
So,
She black or she what she color?
No one's black.
So no, they left him phone here, so and she called and she said something happened at a construction place. I need to come right now. I'm telling you.
Construction, you not
So-
going to my him. I got the construction there. You not going to go knock.
So she pregnant?
Pregnant, yes. But by the way, which construction? Your man not work? Who tell us that the man not work? In not working. Every day in the Friday here, I get the didn't go. Or they meet up on roadside or whatever. And they hide. And when we get to understand is that the girl are ignorant that clinic. Yes, and she want to go. So miss.
Alright, listen.
But by the way, you are male for true?
No, I am not a mule.
Oh, you can't pick me.
I just hide from him, say. Me tell him say me a mule, which I am not because we don't want any kids to go with them at the moment. But him don't know that. So, okay, thank you for the information.
But miss, let me tell you something. Me just want to know some job, alright, you know. Me just want to know.
No, your job is good. You can tell the other two that they are fired. Your job is okay.
My job alright?
Yes.
Thank you, Jesus. Anything me here again, me I come tell you, because me not let nothing pass you.
Alright,
Yeah.
listen.
So miss, you want me help you for the girl?
When I'm ready. Me know what I'm gonna do,
Just
man.
call me.
When I'm ready, you never really like see the other side of me, you know. I am a good person, but I am also,
I'm married.
what did I call it?
Okay.
I am also Jamal with intelligence. Have a good day.
Alright,
Have a good day.
later.
Thank you for the information.
Do no matter make this much of your relationship. Just find out everything first, because probably people will talk and we know also. You know what? Fix.
No, I realized some changes in him. Yesterday when the girl called, I realized him like, him a shake and him a like,
Red flag.
Did she say anything else there? But I just have to play fool to catch wise. It's alright.
Red flag. You get the decisions. But anyway, later, if me hear not again, I will come back.
Okay. Oh my God, really, so bad doing this.
I got the food for my baby. Oh yeah, she gonna love it. Food, yeah. Food, yeah. Here we go. Just do it.
Who you call baby? Eh?
Oh, what is that?
Who you call baby?
Babe, stop now. What is
Let
that?
go
here. You sick or something? One here.
That's a wicked man. Let me
You're a
go.
wicked man. No, one here, stop. Babe, stop now, one here. Calm down, you man.
Oh, we can't go.
When you say we can't go
Oh,
up,
we can't go.
me
Me ask some questions.
no know.
Oh, we
Me
can't
no
go now.
know.
So what on then? You be used to me as one good girl, right?
So you see a good girl, where you
No, you
talking about?
never know some evil.
Stop now.
You think I could have taken me for fool?
When you take it for
All
food.
the days of my life.
Somebody can't go up,
Eh?
son.
Who named Jessica?
Huh? We mean Jessica.
Yeah, why don't we
Jessica we work with.
Yeah, Jessica work.
Jessica, they're
Which work you even go? Which work you even go?
You're a contractor.
Alright, let go what I'm handling.
You know what they're going to
Let go what I'm handling. Fix the earth on the
No,
face.
it's not your death, yes.
Listen. Listen to what me I say. Because I come like I never say.
Come to you.
Listen.
Stop now. You can talk there.
Catch the fire car.
Catch the fire.
Chase me man and chat foolishness. Girl, catch the car on fire.
Yes.
Are you coming
What?
and come go like so you don't know that?
I don't know. Catch me scarf.
Oh, she a burrito.
This
Me not really want to ask, so.
Calm
If I
down.
hear a pick,
Calm down. Me don't know nothing about this.
I hear a pick.
Yeah, listen.
Stop the light. Stop.
Don't bite me.
I hear a pick.
Who's that?
Listen, I hear a pick.
But babe, I was going to breathe. But babe, stop now.
Who said that? Who said that?
You
You
tell me
can't
can't
breathe. Look up our family planning. Because me not ready for no picnic yet.
Stop now.
Me I run a business.
Babe, stop.
Eh? I feel so me couldn't breathe.
Stop now.
Let me go and me stop. Let me
Go
go
on,
and me
son,
stop.
stop.
Let me go and me stop.
No, what's supposed to be?
No.
Babe, stop
You
now.
know about it, you know?
We
I
miss
have
somebody.
left. Oh no.
What do you mean left out
You know
now?
about, hey, come out, you know, come out and place.
Tap the forces. And think about what you
Let go my hand.
Think about what you say.
Let go
Babe,
my
I
hand.
love you.
Just know said the divorce paper them.
Which divorce paper then?
We have a divorce.
No, we can't. Babe, just relax the man.
Let go my hand. You're a liar, you're a cheater,
I mean, come
you're
on.
everything in one. Let me go.
Calm down. You calm
Okay,
down.
let me go. Look,
You calm
look,
down.
yeah, look.
Alright, go so.
Look, no, let go my hand and me go so.
Go so with me. Go so with me.
Get up, just get
I'm
up.
not trying to get up.
Alright.
What's your foot on my chest? I can't.
Alright, listen. Get up now, get up. Me not have with you now. Me not playing with you. Get up.
What's your trick?
You know how much for that?
What's what?
Eh?
Hmm?
100,000 pay for that day, yeah?
What?
That day.
Babe, just relax and stop now.
Listen,
Calm down, man.
listen.
Jesus Christ. So, who is about the picture?
This hurt me a lot,
Eh?
but I'm not gonna make this mad me. You can go on with a black tutu peg.
When you look to the way you
Go
talk
on with a black tutu peg, cause guess what?
Babe, listen, calm
Guess
down.
what?
Babe, calm
No
down.
matter how you
Babe,
treat
calm
a
down.
man, listen.
Calm down,
Stop.
Calm down, babe.
If I ever put a filthy mouth on me, hey,
Calm
shut the 3 more box. Let me go.
You can't miss your box with today.
Let me go.
Alright, you know what? May I give some time for calm down?
Leave out.
May I give some time for calm
Leave
down?
out.
Let's calm
Leave
down, man.
out.
Stop
Leave
push.
out. Come on.
Stop now.
Open the door.
You can't. Ah!
Come on.
No, Jesus! I mean, come on. Let me come out. Let's calm down now. Ah! Jesus Christ!
How you feel?
Oh, me, backside here, something, come on. Stop now! Stop. My, baby, I say I'm asthma. Stop now!
Let me go.
Just stop.
Come on.
Tell me that you're
Come on. Take out.
come on.
Come on.
Come on.
I know what I done to beat that.
Let me see me come on. Are you born on the car? Talk the truth. Talk the friggin' truth. Are you born on the car?
Yes, I'm the one it come.
Yes.
I want.
Jesus Christ. I'm born up and say that's what. I'm born. So I touch me.
I'm in the
You laugh. You think I trouble this?
Yes, because me call you 1 week and add you don't come.
You think I make a beat up with you?
Me there and you pick me and I call you 1 week and you don't friggin' come here.
Because
to get your attention, we have to do that. You're crazy. So where you come here for today?
Brand new 2025 car you pull up, girl. Eh? What if you do that?
You woman have money, she don't want that one.
You want money for do what? Waste money. So you want me attention and you pull up the car for me come down here, me come down here. I want to go get hungry. You want to keep what I get out because of you.
Yeah, idiot, you woman that can't do without us, so be foolish. Tappy, you don't have sense, that's why. If you didn't know for angle, you think she could keep you out.
Jesus Christ.
You don't have sense,
Look how you pull up
You
yourself.
really think you have sense?
Look how you pull up yourself now.
I said, I was calling you for one. Just imagine a pregnant woman. I call you 1 week and on. And you not answer your phone. You see me answer your phone and say to me, say, me soon call you back. You know, some how to do that? I do it out of anger. Because I did ignorant, that's how I do it.
Where you go down there? Yes, I yes, I'm going to go down.
Me and my friend. But you know,
Which friend?
Which friend?
Which friend?
Nah, God. You see, you look me and frig this. You see, Jara, shut up! What is about it? But you're going to get no sense. You say, man, I'm a friend from London, and we got school together, but she might look me, I don't want you, and that's why I make me go on the say. Because you want to put me in, and I say, no, I'm not, nobody know my man care. And me, I feel about my man care.
You hear what I say? You hear what I say?
What me I say?
You sound like a dunce.
You see, when me...
Alright, yeah, see me now. What going on?
A pregnant woman, she don't think about anything, she just do what her mind tell her to, okay? Me never have an option.
No, you can't get the money. The money can't come now because I'm
yeah, I think because she have to take your back. Stop like you're idiot, no man. She have to take your back. She can't do without you. And look here, I'm telling you something. You say if you don't give me the money, I will get it somewhere else. So don't forget that.
Go get it. I'm going to rob you. Rob you to get the money. That me I tell you. Rob you. You don't seriously.
Mind yourself now. Because I can take a bad man now. Be careful. If you not take a bad man, take a soldier or police. Just be careful. Tread light. You hear me I tell you? Okay.
So you really burn up my car? You really going to
what me need to do? What me need to do? You never leave me no option.
You could have even, you better come here and knock and answer, act like a dog out the door.
Me? You know, say, you don't know me. You never been for 6 years and you still don't know me. If you know the person me never did a hook and dog, me come knock your door and tell your wife, say, me beg you come and be my father, please. You don't know me? I'm tell you something, I'm not idiot to know. If you're idiot, I'm not idiot to know. Because you say all the money you give me over the years, me I give enough to save. Oh. So you're going to talk about wife, I'm going to left you and me idiot and this and that and that and that. Get up and stop like you're idiot. You know if you're going to sweet up your woman and make sure you take your back. What are you not saying? You think you have sense now? That's why I'm going to take it at first. Because when I look about it, I realize you're not sense. What is it? Where you coming from? What are you for now?
Yeah, very good.
Name? So, me ask you a question. So,
don't touch me.
I will buy years, you never say, but don't tell me what you want to get.
Are you me send the money, Conky? So, me can tell them, see, I see how much money you have in your account now.
That not have nothing to do with you. I'm not naming on my account. That not have nothing to do with you. But no worry, because I'm not going to make you hungry. But your wife, now, if you listen to me now, she not left you. She just angry at the time, so she upset. And I understand. All you have to do, I'm go back.
You mentioned that, I said,
It was the man. No. Excuse. Say fear, yeah. Sell fear. Sell this. You know what? You know, say me for really man. I think I'm a smart man, me pick up now, but I know my sister like idiot man make pick up.
You're a one, man. Don't call me again.
Go on.
Don't call me again. So you can find options and better options, find better options and leave me alone.
I'm not to call
and make the option take your belly soon. You see you?
Mister, I don't have to call you. All I do is have the baby and put it on your doorstep. Make your wife take care of it or her. I don't care. You look at your sister. You see, for me, mama. You see, when for me, mama, they raise me. She tell me, say. You see, when I take people, man, take what you can get. That's when the time comes to leave you have something. You're bright. What you feel like, say, me alone tell her when a baby?
Man,
hey.
Let me carry fire.
Whoa, yes. Tell wife is say,
don't touch me.
Take care of. The wife said she get a little baby if it go and take care of him. Me no wanna be able to take care of my love. So you must say me if you give somebody else a baby, I like that. Me tell you so for 6 years now when me attack you don't know nothing about me now. If you didn't know me, you know say anything when this cut out between me and you have to keep your picnic and you have to raise a picnic because me no wanna picnic. So I mean like you better go back home, go make it up from now and tell wife say she soon get baby to take care of. I go down 22. We would tell her girl and boy one time she not work because she can't breathe.
Yeah man, you burn up the choke. You burn up the choke, you burn up the auntie, you burn up the auntie. Feel the pain on the car, feel the pain. You see you?
You see?
Don't call my phone, listen to that. Don't tell me nothing fire. You tell me sitting.
The pain has to act like one time. Watch out, my phone a ring.
How I call you?
And my phone a ring.
How I call you?
Here, see that? And your wife a call me. Madman in a clean clothes.
Hello? What?
How could I cast this day like this? Someone answer my phone.
Dog, how you be dog? Dog, you see me thump in your face, that me I tell you, thump in your eyeball them. Bust them. That me I tell you, dog, yeah?
Give me phone. Somebody's...
Don't call back the phone now. You hear me say? Don't friggin' call back the number, yeah.
What you say you done with me? So you tell me. So you got my phone.
You don't worry about that.
I'm gonna calm down. Go hug up your wife, tell your wife sorry, and you're not work about things. Come home, man. You see you're tired. Are we there fighting? You want to fight?
One phone, you want to run me out of death?
But we have to stay.
Right, yes, sir.
Right away. Hello, me what rent no pay, and the landlord will come tomorrow for it. So anyway, you decide to stay right there, so you have to pay the rent. I don't know who they tell you say. You think me want you to live with me. No man believe with you. So may I tell you, if your wife don't work it out, go out and work it out with her because you don't have baby on the way to take care of, okay? Well, and there you see, your wife a call you.
Hello? Yes, baby. I'm not going to down the road. If you come and I want to go to Jamaican beach. Alright, I'm coming.
Go to my bed and go to your wife. Come close to me. Why are Java? Come close to me.
I don't know if you're soon and bust me or drown me or water. I don't know what to expect from you right now. Wow.
Listen. You know how much things we invest in life. So you just walk out by me right now and do all kind of foolishness so you're having a big old cranium. No, how can you have a real woman and do her so dirty?
So I can't do that now. So you grab me?
No, me not grab her, me just hot. So me if you grab a long time.
You can't grab me, I run down with you. I sing what must
Run down with me. What you plan to do? Because nobody feel like say you're not come home, you know. Don't feel like say you're not coming home.
Missing.
Listen, what you plan to do?
I'm sorry.
You're gonna listen, me don't want to hear about the sorry part first. I want to know if you're gonna tell the girl to dash the belly or what.
I'm going to tell her to dash her belly. I don't want her.
You don't want
I tell her every
her?
day I don't want her.
So how you can prove that to me?
Because it went gone to one point where she had tried to trick me, say she had come in here. That's why every time I go down there and go and think. That's all. But like how you know, I'm done.
So how you reach in the first place to insert your thing in her?
She junk me off.
Junk you
Yeah,
off.
she put one extra drink in my cup and then I fall asleep now. I see she up on top of me. I say, why you up on top of me? And then when I feel kind of alright, I say, do what you do. And she do what she do.
So am I a child? Or a woman? Which one of them?
You're a woman, you're my woman.
Okay.
Listen, babe.
So listen. So if she drunk you off and then she decides to blackmail you, why didn't you tell me?
Because I'm afraid of how you're gonna react, baby. I'm sorry, baby. Like, let's say no, so I can right now I feel free. I feel like a man again.
Call this stupid ass girl.
I have a number on the phone.
Hey!
No,
I remember how it goes.
You have
Every call they ever get, I always have them in my head. Alright? Yeah, call her because I want to know how this thing will go. Oh. Send off.
Yo, bitch! Listen to me, I say, see, me and my wife going back together and she forgive me. I don't want you call but my phone, I don't want you come on my yard, I don't want you do nothing, I want you dash your belly. You hear me say? You're the girl about the phone, you're the girl about the phone. You're the girl. Yeah! Yeah, you have to know that. Sorry. Yeah, man.
Where you say what this up?
What? You see
Where you say what this up?
You say so, I say, hey, bitch.
Girl, hey,
Listen to me, bitch. Do not call back. Do not call back the phone. Listen to what I say.
Give me the phone. Big stinking girl. I don't know what the man say. Eh? What you want? You want money? What do you mean by you want me, man?
Can't get a
My
man.
man don't want me. Are you me man want? Which day? Which holiday? Which summer? Big black tutu get if ever hold you bust your face. Here? The man tell me to eat that. You tell her sorry a while ago?
Who tell you sorry? You're mad?
You tell her sorry a while ago?
Sorry for what? Me sorry for you. Know your girl.
Don't play with me.
That me say. Sorry for know your girl.
Big stinking idiot girl. Just know say. If you don't love me man alone, I'm going to bust up your face. Because you don't know me yet, you know. And me send 2 man to chop off the head, girl. Because you don't know me.
No, baby, I forgot to
hey, listen. My money tall like that. My money tall like that. Hey. Me will murder you and my husband.
No, you don't have to do that. No, put me in murder.
Girl, you don't know me. You don't know me none tall. So if my husband ever feel like to put a foot back there, so just know me make an example of time and show you who me be. Bye, bitch. See you soon. Huh? What you planning to do? I'm ready to go home now.
Are you come for you? And I'll be saying sorry for everything, and you know, really want to feel like said, you know, I'm not gonna stick to my word, yeah? I love you, baby. I can't do without you, yeah? I'm glad to see you call me back and make sure, say, you know, like you show me say you love me too, yeah?
You know what the funniest thing about it?
No.
It just don't come out of family planning.
So you want baby?
And then, just surprise you. Me just want to make you go on your thing and go on your thing until me tell us I'm pregnant. But no, you couldn't wait. I made the woman hold it down, brainwash you,
Babe, I don't love the woman, none at all.
and what? You know how much money they want me?
Hello, stop talking with the
No,
man, man. I
listen.
use it as a cat upon me. See?
No, I'm just saying, you know
What
how much money, they want me, like, literally want me.
Babe.
Like, they don't want no sex from me, they just want me for who me.
It hurt me, it hurt
For
me.
who me be.
Babe,
And you all there showing away that stuff. So all you see a film and then you give it away.
No, a mistake. It just ain't happen. A thief from me that day. You understand? I wish we could take it back, but we can't take it
Listen,
back.
I'm educated enough.
Yes,
No, but I feel like
baby.
when me talk patois, you or when people pissed me off, let me talk patois. Remember, see a straight English me talk, you forget. You forget.
You understand, babe? I'm don't feel it.
You know what? I just need to take a shower, drink some tequila. I just need to drink some strong shot right now.
Listen to me, babe.
One strong shot and just listen.
Just listen to me. I'm sorry for everything. I'm not happen to the relationship again. I'm thank you for you choose to keep me here.
You promise?
I promise it, baby. I love Sheena, you me love. What if you know that? Sometimes I think more you.
It's not the matter of fact of who you love. Respect, loyalty, in front of me, behind the back.
Yes,
You
baby.
never did I give that, like, you only give the loyalty in front of my face, but you never did I give me behind the back.
Alright, listen to me.
Huh?
I thought it was a mistake.
Did you even work? You work?
No, babe, no work. And that is something I appreciate from you. And you know, it's like me hope it's so much of the thing when I get the car tomorrow. And so, you understand?
Well, actually, listen. The car, I don't put in your name, but I never bother put in your name. Put it on my name this time.
No problem.
And whenever I want a drive after that car, you have to give it
Of
to
course,
me.
baby.
And a matter of fact too, that car, my next car, I go send it up. My sister, I go have it for like 1 month. So you see the next car, now where you have for yourself, when me get for you have to bring me at work and pick me up from work.
That's no problem,
And
baby.
whenever me call you and say I'm ready, you have to reach there.
That's no problem, baby. That's no problem. But my phone ever charge. So I know where you make it sound like say.
And that car will be parking under the garage.
So like
Whenever you come inside at night time, you park it
yeah, when we come in at night
under the
time.
garage.
Yes,
You're
of
not
course.
gonna left it out there so again.
Yes, babe, I will never do that. And it's just because you remember say all the key we couldn't find for the garage.
And the next thing,
Yes, baby.
I have a hidden camera inside of the car. You cannot find it. Nobody can find that. So
So what do you mean you have a hidden camera?
I have a hidden camera.
You
there.
don't trust me, babe?
No, listen.
I make a
no,
one mistake.
No, listen.
I make a
listen.
one mistake and I will never make a mistake again. You can't do that, baby.
No, listen. You see me and I laugh. Listen. Why you get so why you go on to know? Why you go on to know?
but
Listen.
it's like you don't trust me again, babe. I make a mistake.
No, you have to earn back that trust.
Okay, alright.
I go take it all back, but you have to.
Earn back. Yes, babe, no problem.
You know what I need for? Who wanna show?
You want to show?
Yeah.
Alright. Remember saying never eat the food, so I'll get one food for myself.
I am honestly,
Me know you're not hungry.
when me tell you go on, me get something.
Huh?
I get something on the road.
Alright, me kind of hungry. All I do is go right down there, so baby. You say I have a camera? No, when the camera, when I have a car. I'm just confused. Like. Alright, I'm just going to go right
You drive my car and go down the road.
Yeah, I can drive the car.
You can drive my car, but also my car have camera in it, so do what you want to do.
Yeah, man, no problem, baby.
Yeah.
Over here.
Yeah.
Love you.
Yeah.
Love you, man. I'm thank you for, as I said, I just feel like you give me a chance and I'm not going to give a chance and never ever. You baby? So my son come here.
sorry.
Don't touch me.
Dirty man
Don't
there.
touch me.
Policeman there.
Ah, you come to me or what? Come talk to me now.
Boy.
Mayo, wanna man?
Big man, yo, big man. Yo, watch out there, big man.
Yo.
Yo, easy just say.
I just a dirty man here. I just a.
Hello, me man, I'm
I just a man care going up.
Yes. One way you're going, you're
Yo,
informing
you know where they? You know what's my yard right now? Say I got trouble or something.
Yo, you know some shit that made a friend, but Mr. Silly. I
ask the
love
boy.
me man, man.
Yeah.
You know something else, you're not me and a friend. You know why you make
Why?
me say no. Love me man.
You see, do it. Everything you know. I'm here to solve the crime. I don't
Yeah,
see that.
inform
I
me.
said, no man, come now.
I
So
said,
you
let me
turn
police
back
up
for
you.
me.
But say, you know police up there,
It's
inform.
easy.
Go where you come, man. Yeah, stand here. Me a talk
Man,
to man.
yo, I'm
Go
going to
man.
put here. Him. Light here for you.
Him know.
I mean him light it. He pay me $500,000.
Yeah, we kid
Light it.
you never get that out of my pocket.
I mean, yo, man, there's a job. Believe the kid, brother. How to share me, you believe?
Oh, yeah, no. Who
Yeah,
are these
you can't believe it. Look. Yo, you know, feel what I'm saying, no? Aside work at one, you don't see.
Race man this. Actually, can't get in front of that bitch, so. You know what I'm saying? The race man, I want him. I didn't want to be a choosing long time. I'm a charge because me and him used to go to school long time, but when I look somebody, I mean, I want him.
Alright, you answer.
In a year now, you make a girl come and disrespect me. She don't know me, you know.
Listen
She
to
could
me.
have money, she tired, she can't pay nobody to kill me. Me get rid of she.
Alright, you answer.
Oh.
It's on the phone,
Mhm.
and she went call you and rate it, and me personally
So
want
why
to
make
call
she
you.
take a phone?
I'm sorry for calling you bitch. You understand me? I said it was just a thing where, you know, me just have to act and make it sound real. You understand? Listen, me don't want you to call her, I don't want you to come on the phone, me don't want you to do nothing, because I know say you call the phone, know you have a direct number. Me don't want you understand me? I don't feel me I say to you.
Tell her don't ramp with me, no. She
Listen
don't know
now,
if
ramp.
I'm sicker than her, you know.
Yeah, you think me want her?
Oh.
You think me want her? Me don't want her, so
So
me
what
come
I tell
out.
her, say that one time.
But me tell her that enough time.
Oh. So she a push on
Of
herself
course,
for
she
you.
push. Yes, she call me. She run me to that place and then call back to go in that place. Me don't understand what she depend.
What a way she love mine, man. But me no mind still, because me I get her money to spend. And tell her so the wrong tree she a back up.
Alright, listen, listen. See? Let's make sure everything good. The baby alright?
Baby, alright. You see, my belly a grow.
And yo, me can't say 100% babe.
Babes are me the jealous. When I say me the obsessed, man, I'm jealous. That's why me burn up. It's alright. Me I get better. You know, see the star them I go away. See that? I'm the star them I fear.
Let's see. Alright, you know me going to call me. I mean, want to spot you. If when the money comes to me, I come me send some come give. Because I guess she said she'll give me one car, but it going to fear name. But what she said to me is that she'll put camera in her car and see me.
She not no sense. She don't know. That's why I tell you something about that worry about what she want to do and what she not do. Because guess what? She will buy the car and put it in her fear, but you still going to lose it.
Alright, as long as you know. So no.
Make sure, so you know, up there, support that girl that call me.
I
If
don't-
she tell me to call me, so you call me, so you know.
I don't want the girl. Simple as that. Me like her. Me hate her. You hate her fault.
And she can't even breathe to this, and you girl come out, hey, and she don't know how me want come down, like come away. So remember, so me have the belly, me not bother.
For me, she talk like she's a preacher and use her. So, no.
I like the girl that tell she can't breathe.
I'm not good. I love you, yeah?
Love it to me, baby.
Okay, let me see this. No.
So we never see you.
I'm trying to see if I can come tomorrow to go work.
Yeah, me the girl go. If you make she start work night, you can tell her say you want some more money. The girl work night, you can
Mr.
tell her.
Bunny! Next one, Bunny! Next one,
My mama man friend, come and say him stay. Mama man that. She call up me and can't get me.
As I'm saying, man, are wicked enough. So, man, put in a deep hole and jump out. So, no, it's alright. Now, one day, monkey want a wife. Shall find out. One number up for hey, one number up for broke again. You call me.
Oh yeah,
Soon come back.
watch out. You know saying I really like you. I like how me and hear real things with you and your boss and take your mouth out tight enough because you know say inform I live too long. You know.
Me
And
about to?
yeah, I mean I like how me and hear a road boy. You're in a people in business too much.
Oh, me in them business. Listen to me. Bobby, listen to me. I said, this is me I do. I better way for me. Cause remember say me a boss right and you know. So me have to do the fear right through work yard anyway. Because you see this what me I do, it pay me more. You understand?
but you
And me
see-
know see all of that.
Yeah, but you see the mix up thing now. Tell you the truth, you can't take a jam and me no want hear no problem with nobody and then it's right, so that's why me I say yo. No, me hear what you saying about work, you know. Not true me I talk me hear what you saying, you know. Watch you know. To how we are working now and I realize say everybody I make money and so forth and me like it look and so forth, but the mix up business me don't want to hear night, you know.
You see, closer a bit to me boss is the better for me. Yeah. See the other day she fired too so much because of how them a behave on her job. And you see me have to work my ass off and do everything
No.
what me have to do just to please that
Yeah.
woman to keep my job to make my money.
So that's why you take up informal business to
No,
keep
I
your
don't
job.
informal business to take up. Me know what me are doing about the thing.
You
You
know
know
what
what me
you
are doing? Eh? Don't worry about me. Just trust me. Me just a do my part.
You just say man. But if you hold on with them out, you think how you are informing.
Listen. Nobody with it. If people pan road a chat about it, and me hear about it, you know must expect something to go tell me boss. Eh?
Look, that's not all the time necessary. Sometimes.
All the time, me tell my boss business. People business I'm here.
No, but it's so not all the time.
No, me don't do that all the time. It's just that when they made book up a restaurant and me hear people talk about them and say, but wait, that's not like me boss husband. And no, me go tell her, and now she find out everything we are going. That not nothing to do with me. Me just want to know something to my part. You understand? And me I get what me fi get out of this. And at least she trust me. And that's the biggest thing, you know, trust.
Yeah, she trust you. Me never say enough to make your boss trust you, but boy, no. You chat too much.
One bit later. Can you see me tell her that so? You know me I go catch up in an argument. And I know you don't want no argument, you know like me in an argument. You know say na like me get silent treatment. So now start with it now. Cause you will get it.
Alright, I love you alone, man. I love you alone, sir. Maybe it's
Hazy. One, we are going to business.
Shot him a box 2 times and fist him up and bite him. Yeah? And guess what? The man officer said, you never knew it true.
Yeah.
I should have boxed him in it. But guess what? I hear one little rumors from the road say I'm a brother. I spread it say me a mule.
Your brother, your own blood.
My own blood I spread it say me a mule just because me not ready for me. I tell them so me not make no pity who me don't like how my sister
So your
them.
brother would do something like that?
Okay, like true because him beg me to buy him one bike. And me buy him the bike and him give him friend and police take it away from them. And me tell him say listen to me, if you come back the day after me license and insure for you. The boy take go give friend a flash out the money what me give him. So true me not give him the money and now he have it as spread it say me a mule.
You not to do that.
And he all I know say a medication me I take because me say me not make no penny who me tongue.
Come on for your brother.
Yes.
Go back to his story.
So the girl know, me need some the girl on the phone and him calling her this girl.
I don't trust him. No, you can't trust him.
I don't trust him.
Breed, so you now go just.
I don't trust him.
So
Guess
now
what?
go
You know, so me not check na girl and I go for a girl.
Yeah,
You know, so me not check in a girl and I go for a
when you say
girl.
you're threatening her,
I mean,
you have to go for him then. You can't sit down and say, so we can still sit down and say,
so you say.
we have to go page the girl.
Then me not even
Next
about
time
that
the
beard.
girl go send somebody for you instead. You're crazy, you have to
Actually,
use your brain, you know.
No, me
You
a big
first
smart, me
have
a
to go
smart
for him.
wise. You know what? Come on, I be me your beard. Me not about that beard.
Hold on, see.
Cause we shall roll today, yeah.
Ah, come on.
Go look for her. Look for the dirty girl. Hello. You sure say upstairs she live? Cause me no want to waste no time, you know.
Mister, me make it call. Then come say upstairs. Be down at the bottom. Think I down at the bottom of this.
Excuse me, put no.
So we get this cousin earlier, sir.
I want to come to me now.
Sir, where's Miss Jessica?
Who?
Miss Jessica.
Something urgent come up and we looking for her.
Yeah, because
Who?
in clinic says something wrong with our baby, so we have to go.
Jesus, oh, my next door neighbor.
Are you neighbor?
I don't know what they call him, man.
Good man.
A big, thick Rasta man.
Hello?
Listen.
Hello?
Listen, me how
So
much.
then says something wrong with
Listen
the
now.
baby.
You have all in there, so you have heart attack, man. Make him dead. You can't go and do it, so.
No, we are nurse.
Yeah, nurse, but you don't want to go work with my lady.
Hello, Jessica. Hello?
As a man not look for. This what I say. If a man not look for, you know what I mean?
Hey, girl.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe here.
Major discovery, baby. To every key there's a lock, to every bird there's a flock, to every boy there's a perfect girl, yeah. So every wolf there's a pack and there's no turning back. It's either in or you're out in the cold, yeah. So every bumble there's a bee, trouble look for me, yeah. That's my philosophy, yeah. To every girl there is a move that brings some crazy attitude that switches on and off like a crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, she's my baby. So every good there's a bad, sometimes you're happy then you're sad, it evens out eventually. So every lie there's a twitch, every tear there's an itch, it's worth the pain. Oh, there's a heart without a soul, love will always be at home. I found my home in her heart, it seems. I found myself a pearl, a really crazy girl, but there's no me without this crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. So every bumble there's a bee, trouble look for me, yeah. That's my philosophy, yeah. You see, everywhere I go, I want the whole world to know this crazy girl belongs to me. 'Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah, yeah. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. I'm crazy, crazy, cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. I'm crazy, cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah, baby. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with my baby, but she's so crazy.